What's up, everybody? Welcome to Hopped LA Events on Tap,
Episode 67.
covering all the awesome things happening in LA beer this week. And this week, we're coming to you guys from House of Billiards in Sherman Oaks. If you guys like billiards, this place is great, right? If you guys like craft beer, then this place is even better.
Sure is.
In terms of the Valley, this is boasting one of the best tap lists.
And if you haven't gotten your ass in here, you better do it soon.
Yes. And they're celebrating their 40th anniversary
Perfect time to do so.
this week.
On Thursday.
Yes, they're celebrating their 40th anniversary this Thursday with a crazy tap list with $5 drafts.
Yeah, it's going to have breweries like Modern Times, Highland Park, Casa Agria, State, and so many awesome breweries. We're drinking a couple of them right now. I'm drinking Green Cheek, Something in the Water. This is an unfiltered hoppy pilsner, and I'm about to tell you how it is. What are you drinking?
I'm drinking Beechwood's Hop Ninja, the Imperial IPA. You may have drank this one already, but if you have, you know how good it is.
Yeah, let's give them a whirl, man.
Crowbars up.
Dude, just super soft on the palate. Hops, Citra, Mosaic, just delicious tropical hops. You want something drinkable that can last all day long? This is gonna be it. Green Cheek kills it, and it doesn't disappoint. What do you think about that one, man? The Hop Ninja.
This is the complete opposite of what he just said. There's an aggressive hop thing going on here. This thing is huge. It's bitter. It's slightly boozy, but the hops are shining through. It's got that nice, beautiful tropical aspect that a lot of Beechwood's IPAs have. But man, the hop bitterness is so aggressive on this. It brings me back to when I first fell in love with West Coast IPAs. That's what this beer is doing to me. It's fantastic, and can't wait to see the tap list that House of Billiards is going to have on this Thursday for their 40th anniversary. Holy shit. Hey, cheers to the homie Ben. Keep it up. This place is awesome, and come check it out on Thursday. You will not be disappointed.
You guys better get down here.
Bring cash. It is cash only. Okay, so let's head right into the rest of the events for this week. Next one is Saturday, January 19th, 12 p.m. Smog City is releasing Infinite Wishes. Ooh, yeah.
Yeah, and if you guys are on our email list where we're putting out our weekly beer release radar, you guys already are well aware of this release. So if you're not on it, jump on our email list because we're telling you all the new beers being released every single week ahead of time. But tell us about this one.
Yeah, for this one, they were not only releasing their original and Infinite Wishes, but also 3 variants on draft, and also in bottles. This is a beer that will sell out. So if you don't get there early, you're gonna miss out.
Also on Saturday, January 19th, starting at 12 p.m., Indie Brewing Company is celebrating their 3-year anniversary with a block party outside their tap room in Boyle Heights. They're going to be releasing a special anniversary beer, double dry hopped, double IPA can release, as well as a bunch of other special beers. They'll have food, they'll have music, they'll have vendors. It's going to be a good time. Indie is awesome, so check it out.
Yeah, Indy knows how to throw a party. All right, next up, that same day at 4 p.m., Empire Tavern in Burbank is celebrating their 1st anniversary. This was a welcome addition to Burbank last year. Empire Tavern always has a good tap list on deck at all times. You can only imagine they're going to be blowing it out for their 1st anniversary with not only good beer, but food, music, and more. Go check out Empire Tavern and celebrate 1 year with them.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
All right, that next day, Sunday, January 20th, starting at 11:30 a.m., Ladyface in Agoura Hills is celebrating their 9-year anniversary.
Woo!
Wow. They're going to have a boutique beer festival featuring beers from Eagle Rock, Institution, Smog City, Russian River, Sierra Nevada, and more. They're going to have food. They're going to have a great time going on there. Tickets are $40. You're going to want to jump on those because Ladyface is awesome, and you are too. You deserve to be there.
Then the next day, Sunday, January 20th, starting at 12 p.m.
Sundays.
Sunday, it's the DTLA Breweries United 5.0. This beer fest happens twice a year and is one of our favorites. Features all of the downtown LA brewers all in one place. Always features a theme, which I believe this beer fest theme is barrel-aged beers.
Yes, it is.
So can't go wrong there. It's an awesome, intimate beer fest that you should not sleep on. $45 tickets will get you unlimited pours, and they benefit the CF Foundation. Buy your tickets today. Okay, so that does it for this week's events. Let's head into the preview section. All right, we're going to keep the preview section out Friday, January 25th, starting at 2 p.m. It's the Meltdown at El Segundo. This thing happens every year. This is when they release Power Plant Triple IPA, but not only Power Plant, Nuclear Power Plant, which is an extra hopped version of it. But they're doing something very special for this year. 2 more variants of this beer. Gary, what are they?
So one of them is Spark Plug. This is a lower ABV variant of the Power Plant. And then there's Radioactive Fallout, which is a hazy variant. Why not, right? When in Rome.
All right, so look out for Power Plant Triple IPA, Friday, January 25th, up and down SoCal, super, super fresh. You're not going to want to miss out on that fantastic beer. Some say it rivals Pliny the Younger. What say you?
Then on Saturday, January 26th, Eagle Rock Brewery is celebrating their own 9-year anniversary. They're having a big party for this one. $25 tickets. They're going to have awesome special release beers. They'll have food. They'll have games. Buy your tickets and check it out.
All right, so that does it for this episode of Events on Tap. We have plenty more beer taste testing to do for House of Billiards' 40th anniversary, so we're going to keep doing that. Drink indie
And drink local.